Greetings, everyone. My name is Gerard. Today, I will be your season guide in today's market open turbulent waves. Trading is not just about buying and selling. Trading is about heart. It's about confidence. It's also about knowing how to be disciplined enough to push that buy button and exit in the right way. So first of all, I'm going to ask you, if you haven't done that yet, please subscribe and join the tribe. By the way, wasn't that a great rhyme? Please subscribe and join the tribe. That way you can see me day in, day out, trade and learn from my ups, my downs. There will be great wins. There will be interesting losses. There will be moment of confusion. But what there will be is consistency in strategy and consistency in how our mental directs our ability to make our trades. Guess what? It is already 8:30. As you know, 8:30 is the market open. I never place trades around 8:30. I always wait after 8:31 when the market somewhat has settled. What can I tell you already? Guess what? Looking at the 400 chart, it seems that the market is on what type of trend is that? Lower highs and lower lows. Definitely, we're having a downtrend. 8:30 here. Now, what's gonna be the interesting thing? Right now, wow. Okay. Let me put this line here and see if price action is going to cross this. If it does, that's a good trade. If not, consolidation period killing. Not killing, I mean, we have to pay attention to consolidation period. Ooh, rough. See that? Consolidation period. Wow. Consolidation, is it gonna cross this? If it crossed this, if it crossed the simple moving average, we're on a trade. On this chart, there's still a possibility that it becomes a buy trade. Okay. You know what? I'm in.
Order filled.
In. But now I have to make sure that price action does show the consistency needed to the consistency movement for my trade profile. This is a good profile, but it's not moving. You see that? It's not moving. So this means I might need to exit right away. Is it gonna cross the previous high? Let's look at this candles here. No. Is it gonna cross this line here? If it does, maybe. If not, we have to accept that this is not a moving trade. Okay, we exited.
Order filled.
We exited. For me to go on a reversal trade, I would prefer that it crosses this line. Okay, it did.
Order
I'm
filled.
in. And of course, we have this line here to see if it's going to cross. Let's see here. Do we have enough momentum for a trade down? No. Okay, possibly. Is it crossing the low yet? That's an interesting movement here. A lot of indecision. Is it gonna cross that low? Finally. Is it going to cross this low finally? If it does, we're in good shape. If not, let's see.
Order filled.
Let's hope that at least it gets to this low here. If it does, there is a chance. But then I'm not getting a lot of movement here. It's not, I'm not sensing that. Whoa! Okay, gotta be careful here. Gotta be careful here. Oh, okay. Wow, that reversal happens all the time.
Order filled.
That happens all the time. Okay. There's no need to let ourselves be frustrated. As you can tell, this is indeed a consolidation period. This is the consolidation period. All we have to do right now is wait for it to break. Wait for it to break. See that? Classic consolidation period. Okay. Let's see here. Is it gonna cross?
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see. I have a feeling we're gonna get a great movement down. If it crosses this, we're in good shape. Consolidation period. Is it gonna break finally? 8:37. It's been 7 minutes of trading. Is it gonna break finally? Is it going to break finally? Wow, did you notice that? A lot of indecision here. Not moving at all. Touching that line, but not crossing it. It's not making any movement past this line. This is very telling. Very, very telling. This might not be a day of volatility for our strategy. So that being said, this might be my last trade. If it's not going to yield now, it's not worth it for me to continue risking trades and making losses. Like for example, this, it's not working for me. But then let's keep our cool. Let's not get ourselves frustrated. The market doesn't win. We make our choices. There's a chance it might actually go down. There's a chance. Here, 78. That would be 75. 73. Okay. Is it going to at least give us 2 points? All right, crossing this. I'm gonna put this line here. No, man. Wow. This line here, it's a reminder. Okay, let's do this. Well done, great choice. We needed to cross the previous low and give us amazing more points. Continue. If it does, that'll be amazing.
Order filled.
That'll be amazing. If it could give us another, I would say, like from here, 73, give us 1 point and we'll win. So right now, indecision again, indecision again. It's not pushing through. Let's go down. It's not pushing through. Is it a reversal right now? I'm preparing myself for that. Let's go. Cross the previous low. No, it hasn't crossed it yet. It hasn't crossed it. It reversed, which is treacherous. What's happening? 840. We are very close to holding on to a profit. Very close. But that being said, if the market doesn't give it to us, we have to accept that the market is not going to give it to us. We cannot wish for something that's not there. So right now we have 3 tails, which shows indecision. That's a telltale sign of a reversal. If it doesn't break, okay, I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out. Oh. Okay. So we knew that this was a succession of indecision, and the market is not moving today. It's not. Let's see. Let me look at the accounts. You know what? We just broke even. Okay, and you know what's interesting? Now it's gonna come down and touch that low. So why did we do well today and why did we not do well? The one thing we didn't do well, which is also a part where we kind of did well, is here. We exited as quickly as we noticed that the market would not show a good rally. Wow, look at that. Could this be a trade back up? If it crosses this, maybe. That being said, this is why we need confirmation. Great movement, but no commitment. Great movement, but no commitment. Here, could we have exited a little earlier? I don't really know. I'm not going to stress myself about those decisions here because there was so much indecision that you had to ask yourself, you know what, let me
Order filled.
Let me try and see if I can risk a trade here. If it touches that line, we're in good shape. But I don't know yet. Indecision. If it breaks the high, we're in good shape. If not, let's exit and take a quick loss. Is it gonna cross the previous high? If it does, we're in great shape. Go across this and give us this. That'd be amazing. Okay, see here, it's touching this simple moving average. Let's do this, man. We can do this. If we cross this, give us a couple more points. Good. But then let's be ready for an exit. So it's touching this line, which is the previous high, but it's not crossing it yet. As a trader, you have to be conscious of, is it crossing? See, same thing. Indecision right now. Indecision. Is it gonna reverse and go back up? Reverse and go back up. Dealing with a lot of indecision today.
Order filled.
Interesting movement. Okay, is it gonna cross this line and go back up. There's a possibility. Possibility it's not crossing this line here. So for me, this says that it's not gonna branch up. It's showing that it might, but it's not being decisive. Okay? No decisiveness yet. Wow, wow. This is why I really think one needs to meditate when you're a day trader, especially a scalper, because it's like, you know, you want to go up, but I might exit right now because this is too much for me. This is too much. It's not giving me the movement I need. It's not indecision. It's not crossing those lines as I would want them to. Okay, now cross the. By the way, that's not indecision. I will most likely exit. Yeah, most likely I should exit here. This is not showing the motion that I'm looking for. Yeah, look at that. That being said, this could be a good trade down. If it crosses this, and if it crosses this and we get a confirmation, this could be a good trade down.
Order filled.
Okay. I got a signal for a trade down. Let's see if indeed we're gonna get a trade down. Ooh, not a good sign. See this tail here? Not a good sign for me. We don't know yet. From here to here, for me to know that you were given something, I would need at least 1 point. It's not giving us that yet. Cross the low. And if it could cross all the other lows, that would be amazing. But right now, no commitment. No commitment yet. So it touched the previous movement low. Is it gonna cross this previous low that we had? If it does, that would be amazing. Let's do this. Finally breaking. No, just continue, mon cher. Just continue. Let's go. Give me 2 points. 2 points for my patience. The market doesn't behave that way, by the way. I'm just being delusional. But give me 2 points for my patience. I exhibited. Yes. Okay, so we can tell it's not giving us 2 points. It's still playing here, but we don't know if we should exit yet. We don't know. Oh, up. It's reversing past the previous support and resistance line. See that? That for me is a sign that we should exit. Up. get just 1 point here, we're good. Like, I mean, from here to even just here. If we get that, that'll be amazing. But then we need decisiveness. We need a good movement crossing this line here. Okay, it's reversing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Man.
Order filled.
See? No. Guess what? There's a chance it might actually give us a good bounty here. There's a chance. There is a chance. If it crosses this line, anything below that is profit. Anything below that is profit. So put this line here. Ooh, it's gonna reverse now. Everything below that would be profit. See this? Are you notice how we're getting always the same pattern? We always get into a low. It's not crossing it. It's giving us a bunch of hammers. It's curting with the low and not pushing through. It's doing this thing where it says it's going to change, it's going to break it, but it doesn't. It doesn't break it. So we have to have the mental strength to exit. But anything. Profit. This is the part where right now it's some wishful thinking. Okay, it crossed it. Doesn't think we can do it. It crossed it, doesn't think we can do it. Whew, this market is interesting, but the one thing that's consistent is that keeping up with the trend is really your friend here. Wow, look at that. Why? You know, it's interesting. Sometimes you want to look at the market and see it as something, an entity that's playing with you. But it's just the market just does what it does. No feelings. Like this. Playing with us. But then that's my strategy. I'm a scalper. I have to look at all micro movements and make my decision based on that. That being said, yes, that's like a 2 points. That would have given me much profits. But then, you know what? I'm happy the way I'm trading. I'm exhibiting a lot of strength and exiting. You just can't push the market. The market does what it does. That's it. That's it. Oop, there it is. The market does what it does. Now, let's look at the trades that we've taken. This trade, amazing trade. We take this one here. We enter after the cross, the SMA cross. We probably enter here. From here to here, let's say. From here all the way down till here is, let me see, is that? That's a good 3 points. 3 points is great. From here, which is from here to where we were fooled into exiting, from here to here is a good 2 points. These are great trades, and the key to those trades is trade with the trend. That's really why you take those trades here. If you look at the trend on, let's look at the 800 ticks chart. You see that? The trend has been going down since last night. So this is a good bet. And your bet is trade with a trend. That being said, thank you very much. Thank you for being there with me. Thank you for seeing this trade. Thank you for being able to survive the frustration. I always applaud anyone when there's frustration, because guess what? We're here to make money. We're here to make profits. And sometimes you see the trade, like for example here, great trade comes down here. Why couldn't it just go up? Why does it need a bounce to throw us off? That's the way it is. And each thing, this market shows how important it is to recognize the concept of risk. For you to stay here and expect this to come down, that's a risk that you're taking. You are taking a risk, but then the risk does pay off. It does. Something else you might do is look at another entry. See this? This line, this simple moving average cross here, that's another entry. So you can risk another trade by doing another entry. Now, looking at everything else, this is my last trade. And I'm hoping that you've learned something today. Drop something in a comment. And remember, all you need is just one good trade. Thank you very much. Also, remember to subscribe if you want to learn more and experience the world, the perilous world of trading, which I will give you every day. Thank you.